Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a slab in Geometry Dash. You might think it got deleted early in the game, but I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, by the way, I did do my slider. And also, I got a PA1 and E2. Go follow. Try going to my levels. Rate them, like them, whatever you want to do. Okay, anyway. So first you go to the search tab and you type rocks. Then you click this button, the one next to the search button. You click this. Right there. You click the button that says levels. You scroll all the way to the end. Scroll to the bottom. Oh wait, okay, never mind. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on Stereo Madness or any level that has slabs. Then click on the copy button. And then click yes. Okay. And then you can. Then you go to the part where the slabs are. You click edit. Okay. You click on the object. You click on a slab. Any slab. You click the C button over here. You click the plus. Okay, I should put those. Okay. I don't know why I saved those spikes. Okay, that was an accident. That was before I actually knew how to save blocks. And yeah, look, you want to see something cool? Now you can use slab, except it will be in the middle and it'll be blue. Or you can just go to edit, click that, and copy and paste. Or just maybe just paste that. And that is how to use a slab in Geometry Dash.